If you ever see me talking to a sailor, as I blithely stand there passing time of day, don't you hesitate to think that someone's tampered with my drink, and he's shaking down your handbag in the time it takes to blink, and all that booze you've ever bought him, he's just thrown up in the sink. Just call the funny fireman, carry me away. And when you become a woman of a certain age, you'll find it difficult to trust a man, difficult to gauge when that bilge rat who left you without a living wage thinks there's still that tawdry glamour of the sea. I swear to God, it's completely lost on me. So if you ever see me talking to a sailor, some mangy sea dog skulking by the quay, just remind me what I've said, or